Okay, Mom, this is Dorothy Brown. Say hello to everyone.
Hello, everyone. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year.
And this is Gail, my wife.
Hello, Merry Christmas.
Kazuko.
Hi.
Serving dinner.
Hello.
Who's this?
You.
Oh,
And Hannah.
Hi, Merry Christmas. And Uncle Ron does not catch turkey.
Okay. And Brendan.
Hi everyone.
Hi. Say hello.
Hello.
And then we have over here Amy.
Hi, Merry Christmas.
Alan. Brown, my brother.
We're gonna throw it on the Barbie.
where's the shrimp?
And Leslie Ann.
Hi.
The wonderful, gorgeous Leslie Ann.
Sorry
Exactly.
we couldn't be there for Christmas. We were
Alright.
looking forward to seeing you, but
Maybe you can
maybe
toss
next
me
year.
you up there.
And we have to turn the camera around so you get a picture of me.
There's my dad.
There's hello there.
Okay. Amy.
All right.
Everyone say goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.
Merry Christmas.